Hi, I'm Ashley and welcome to Consonant Blends. In this video, you'll learn that when two consonants are read together, they make a blend. If you haven't learned consonant sounds yet, be sure you watch those videos first and then come back. Are you ready to learn? Let's go. When two or more consonants are put together, they keep their sounds. We call those blends. Blends can be found at the beginning of a word, in the middle, or at the end. Today we're going to learn the blends FT, MP, ND, and NT. These are blends that are usually found at the end of words. What sounds do you think these consonants make when blended together? Let's take a look. FT, what sound do you think it makes? Did you say ft? If so, you're right. FT says ft, like in left and sift. How about MP? Mp, like in ramp and camp. How about ND? ND says nd, like in sand and hand and. How about NT? NT says nt, like ant and plant. And that's it. Great job. You just learned the consonant blends FT, MP, ND, and NT. Can you think of any more words with these blends? Ask a parent to help you list them in a chart just like we did. Then use your words to practice reading and spelling your new blends. Be sure to practice what you've learned with our online games and quizzes, and remember to always be clever.
Hey, hey!